So we've got a 2002 Triumph TT600. We're going to be doing an engine swap today because this one's dropped a valve on number 4 cylinder, made itself into a triple. So yeah, now it's only running on 3 cylinders rather than being on 4. So we've got a donor engine over here on the pallet. Turned up last week. So we're going to put it in this bike. Get it done. Right, so that's the panels off and the tank off. Obviously I've already had the tank off and took the airbox off. The airbox is down there somewhere. So yeah, you're not going to be able to see it down there, but what I'm going to try and do now, I'm going to try and get my ball scope attached to the camera and see if I can record it so I can show you what's going on down there. Alright, so we've got the ball scope. There we go, just going to open it up. You can see there the valves, the head of the valve there that's snapped off on the left hand side. Get it down a bit further. Yeah, so there we go, you can see it there, you can see it clearly there, the head of the valve that's snapped off. It's been being battered by the piston. Yeah, the one on the right is okay, obviously. There we go. I'll show you number 3 as well. Get the camera back out. There's number 3. Yeah, and both of them valves are alright. Number 2 and number 1 are exactly the same as number 3. But yeah, there we go. Snapped a valve. So instead of replacing the valve and piston, cylinder head and everything, I'm just going to replace the engine. Cheaper. Let's get it done. Right, so this is a point we're up to now. Got the exhaust off without snapping any bolts, this is good. All the throttle body's off, all the wiring's off. Just all this wiring here can just stay up there, so I've just zip tied it to the side of the frame. I've took the earth off and I've took the power off the starter motor. I've got to take the front sprocket off, take the chain off. I'm going to take the gear selector off first before I can drop the engine. Yeah, pretty much ready to come out. Oh, there we go. Didn't record actually lifting it out. I thought I'd press record and it didn't press record, so yeah, I'm not putting it back in just so I can record it taking it back out again. But yeah, engine's out, so I've got to get the other one off the pallet, put it next to it side by side and make sure that all the bits match up. So yeah, next job. Right, so this is the one out the Triumph, this is the one that blown, dropped the valve, the number 4 cylinder. So all I need to do now is switch over the bits. Obviously I'm going to use the throttle body. I'm going to take the throttle body off this one because I'm going to use his because I know his works. Same along with the starter motor, stator, stuff like that. I'm just going to swap everything over. Plus as well, that cover on the donor engine is damaged, obviously it's an accident damaged bike. Obviously all these pipes are going as well, it's ripping that one. But yeah, so I'm going to use everything from that engine, put it on that one. So that when it all fits, everything bolts up as it should. Right, I'm ready to fit. Changed everything over. Gave it a bit of a clean up and all. I'm not going to take that oil filter off until it's fitted in the bike. I'll take the oil filter off so I can put the tub underneath it. Let it drain into there. There we go, all ready to fit. There we go. Engine's in, exhaust is on. Spun him a new oil filter on as well. Put the water pipes on, ready for the radiator. I'm not going to film everything. I'll be here for ages editing stuff. So yeah, I'll film what I can. Panels back on, filled up with water, filled up with oil, tanks on, all primed up. So let's give it a start. Carl, do you want to pull this clutch for us? Let's Triumph. Yep. All running. I think it needs to warm up. I think the only thing I need to put on now is the seat. Engine management light's not on, so that's good.